Okay, so now we're walking and we are planning to go to a mandir actually. It's actually very amazing and we see a donkey. Like my sister, she thought it's a horse, but look at that. Wow. Do you see? It looks like one of the fever dream. Like I swear to you, it's like a very different world. Wait, why they're sleeping here? Should we ask them?
Are you nuts, Shadi?
But she was wearing a nice outfit and.
Fuck up, she must have stolen it.
Oh, look at that!
It's a nice sari collection. Which one should I buy?
Which one should I buy? Hey, look at the infrastructure of that place. Actually, the other places are kind of nice though. This is the only first road which is like kind of well maintained and well prepared, you know. Like in this area, I've seen. Wow, man! I think we need to come here in the daytime, you know.
No. Night time actually is actually more exciting.
No, so that we can see more. Oh, dogs are so.
Don't look at them. Don't look at them, Shadi.
I'm not looking at them.
If you don't look at dogs.
It looks like a London road, but like with Indian version.
Yeah, that's why it's more dirty, right?
Why would she say that? I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Then what else do you mean by Indian version? मुंह में घुसेगा क्या?
Oh shit. मुझसे पंगा ना लेना. कुत्ते भी हैं, इंसान भी हैं, हर जगह से खतरा है.
एक से.
There is a couple fighting
Are you
happening.
also one of those in UK? Do you agree to this now? Is that one?
चा. अरे देख ये वाला टेंपल की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. देख ये वाला
You know
टेंपल.
what I don't like? Guys who will walk past you like literally very close, and after watching you, you know when they like expedite their speed, and they think girls are gonna be like, oh my god, I'm so wet by this sleeve of yours. If they start to realize how.
I'm not sure where I'm going, but we are actually planning to go to a mandir. I wanna use restroom though. Huh? Chat. You can read from that.
The walking sound is.
So now we have come. I think so. It's a washroom though. And this is the मंदिर. ये मंदिर का नाम क्या है? मंदिर का नाम क्या है?
मंदिर नहीं है, भवन है.
तो मंदिर कहाँ पर है?
मंदिर आगे से राइट.
Yeah, what is he trying to show us?
No, don't go there. We have come here, the Ganga River.
They are saying that we walk over here and they're asking for
They're
us.
trying to scam stuff like that.
But then later they can steal it.
This is the Ganga River actually.
Imagine doing this in front of
The
Ganga River.
holy,
That's so
sacred,
bad.
the holy and sacred Ganga River.
I hope it doesn't lag. Please.
Bro, I wanna take that, man.
What the fuck is this? Should we?
I can't believe you, man. See, the crowd is actually there. The fact that people are actually sleeping here, you know, which is like kind of, I don't know, like, it's just nice. I wish what if the boats start working right now this time? Should we go?
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun, right? Okay, this is actually the Ganga River. Actually, we are here, and it's it's like almost 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. And if you see, the crowd is actually crazy here. Wait, this is crazy, man. This is the first time I'm here, and it's just the experience is mind blowing, man.
I'll be as pure as the white flower.
Wow, man. This is the first time seeing anything like that. This must be crazy, man. Should we ask something? See here, Ragini. Wow, very nice. Now it's shining stars.
I want to see if they can check my future. We don't have cash. Thank you.
आप फ्यूचर बता सकते हो क्या?
नहीं, हम कुछ नहीं बताएंगे, हम अपने रोजगार में बैठे, हमको नहीं पता।
Thank you. They laughed at me when I said. So this is the place. Actually, this is Mandir, and this is I'm not sure what is that, but this is I think Mandir, and we're gonna be.
He has eaten bhang. Look at how he's talking. This is why he's recording him.
Wow, what the fuck,
Bro, I love it when people drink bhang. Bhang is
bro? This is looking very historic, though. If you just see it, right? This seems like very historic, and this might have
even I
taken
wanna
like
have
a.
bhang now, yaar, but I'm not sure.
Bro, what the fuck? We won't be able to walk. What do you mean?
It's bhang.
Bro, bhang is so strong. I hope you know that, right? It's strong as like I don't know. Thank God, man. Hey, let's come over here. Let's sit. इस मंदिर में कृपया इस पर ना चढ़े. It's written there.
I think so they were already dead because of the
Wow, this is so pretty, man. Look at this. This is a palace actually, you know, and it just looks like it's a very historic one. I don't know. The guy he said, wait, what is the sound it's coming? Is it some kind of animal or what? I do feel like it. But look at the. Oh man, these are the pigeons. Wait, bro, these are the pigeons here. Oh my God, this is crazy actually. This is very amazing, man. Fuck. Is this because of me?
No, I think it's because of the guy that I'm walking with. Hold my hand.
Oh my God, fuck. Just stay here. Come here. Let's just come here in the side. Oh my God, I thought it's because of my hairs. Oh my God, this is okay. I think this is a very
Hey,
very
these people
long
are
back.
dancing and making a reel over there. Come, let's go there.
That's not a
Let's
reel.
join their dance. Come.
But the dogs. Just wait for some minute, Ragini. Wait for some minute. Let them go. Yeah, you're just like literally running. भाई तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो यार?
Yaar, I want to cross this, but dogs are not letting me go, yaar.
Wait, he's going. They're going.
He's distracting all the dogs.
किसी के तो पीछे पड़े ये लोग.
They just want somebody to mess with. Even they're not sure what they're trying to catch.
This is actually very dangerous, man.
बैठ सकते हैं यहाँ पे? Thank you.
I'm not sure what they're looking at actually.
आपने देखा होगा।
ये हमारा फर्स्ट टाइम है यहाँ पे. हम मुंबई से हैं actually.
कहाँ देखा होगा इसको?
I like this place. What is this? आपको क्या लगता है क्या है ये?
But there is a cafe.
There's a cafe or no? Thank you. Let's leave. Dog, I think so. They have seen something which we.
Come, let's go. Okay guys, so we are waiting. We thought like we're gonna be waiting for the some puja and all, but I think it's gonna be happening in 2 hours or stuff like that. So we're gonna be wait and we're gonna perform. I mean we're gonna witnessing the performance actually, because this is our first time and we're literally staying here for like the whole night so to actually see, and it's gonna be amazing though. I have a like really this positive vibe, you know. I'm gonna try to show you guys, but it's very peaceful actually, you know. Like how people says, you know, like Mumbai doesn't sleep. It's same as Banaras. I came here and I thought like there's not gonna be anyone, but trust me, there are so many people who just came for a spiritual awakening, you know, like some kind of motivation. Like there is literally a guy, if you can see, he's sitting here and he's giving the life guidance to these people. When we went, the people were so much into that. So we were like, maybe we also gonna ask him, like we're gonna also ask him for the stuff, you know. So he said after that we're gonna be going. So we are waiting so he can come and talk to us, like what great life lesson he has to give us, and what are the other stuff, like, you know, he can guide us. Like I don't know, it just seems like a great guy, so we can do that. So we are now sitting here, but it just feels like it's gonna rain a bit, but the people are actually usually going and enjoying this
The
stuff.
random girl you met at a Hindu temple.
But I'm just like planning, like if the rain's gonna happen, either we're gonna go out like inside of that because we can't get sick. But I really wanna wait for the aarti, like where is the biggest aarti happens, you know, and stuff like that. I really wanna see that, you know. So let's see like how it's gonna go and stuff like that. Wait, did you just see? That was like a
I have a
kind of.
random roaming so it doesn't latch onto you. भाई तू चाहता क्या है, मर जाऊं मैं?
There was this one ghat we wanted to go,
Can you believe what is
but
this?
it's closed.
You want? Oh my god.
Why? Wait, it's just everyone coming here to take shower. Imagine the amount of.
tell me that.
Okay, I
What do you
should not
want
say
to do?
this. But if everyone is coming there and they just keep on showering.
क्या हो रहा है? Overacting.
See, like literally the whole family is there if you just see it, you know. Like literally the families comes here, you know. I wanna eat something, yaar.
What do you want to eat?
Ragini, where is she, yaar? Give me a minute.
सत्यं यशः श्रीर्मषि श्रयतां स्वाहा
So guys, the time we're going back to the hotel because I'm kind of very tired. My leg is hurting like shit. So we're heading back, but probably we're gonna be coming back. Which I'll try to
What the fuck is happening?
quick, quick. Oof.
He's gonna fight today. Oh my god.
Alright, karo, fight. Fight.
My ears are gonna blast today. Point.
Fighting for no reason though.
Right. In my phone.
Yeah, paper. I can't show you how beautiful this place is, man. Like, just look at it. The weather is so perfect. Oh my god, like I am just in love with that, man. I'm in love with that. I love you, Varanasi. I'm in love with it, man.
I.
This is so beautiful. Like I can't even tell you. The weather is. I hate Mumbai weather. I hate Mumbai weather. I hate Mumbai weather. Mumbai needs to improve, man. Please learn something from this. Yeah, see how amazing this is. Hell yeah. So we came again back in. We are going to the hotel. Take the keys now. Yeah. Yeah, give me a minute. Did you guys clean that?
Clean हो गया है
Okay, thank you.
व्लॉग में क्या मैं
You streaming.
स्ट्रीमिंग लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग
Yeah.
इंस्टा पर
Twitch.
हाँ
Twitch. Yeah. I'm gonna come from here, okay?
Hey, first one more breakfast. Oh, time. Okay, so me personally, I'm not.
Guys, so we have come back to the room and I'm so tired. Literally, my leg is hurting so bad. But there is not even a single person I can find who can do massages. It's just I just feel like shit. I can't even tell you, but the room.
I think it's I was sitting on Chevy and Chevy was the one who dragged
But the room is beautiful, so I'm kind of like happy. And outside view is so amazing. I like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's very amazing.